y'all. So today we are doing the 11th day of Christmas. And since it's Christmas Eve, we're just going to keep this super simple. We are doing roasted chestnuts. Now this is literally quite simple. All we need is the chestnut and some water. I have about 2 pounds of chestnuts. Although you can use however many or however little you need. This recipe doesn't change at all. There's no measurements to be made. But before we get to roasting these chestnuts, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to roasting. Alright, so we are going to start with our chestnuts. You want to look, if there's any holes in them, throw them away. That's a sign that there's worms in them. But we are going to take our flat side, and with a serrated knife, very carefully, you just want to cut through it. To make sure you get all the way through. Just a little X mark, and then we're going to put that in a bowl or something that we can soak these in water in. And we're making these scores in them. That way they don't explode while we roast them. So once we have all our chestnuts scored, we're going to go ahead, fill this up with water. Then we're going to simply let our chestnuts soak for about 2 hours. At that point, I'll bring it back. Alright, so after about 2 hours, we're going to go ahead and drain these off. Then we're going to take a baking sheet. And we're going to dump them on here. And we're just going to try to put the flat sides down. You don't want any layered up. Kind of spread them apart. Now, I have a gas fireplace, so I can't roast these on an open fire. So we're doing them in the oven. And we've preheated our oven to 425. Now we're going to roast these at 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until those shells start to pull back and that meat inside is tender. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so after about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, they should be looking like this. You can stick a knife or a fork in them just to see if they're soft. And while they are still hot, we are going to dump them into a bowl with a towel. We're going to kind of squish them down a little bit. And we're going to cover them and let them sit for about 15 minutes. Let them steam in there for a little bit longer. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, after about 15 minutes and no longer, just because you want to do this while they're still warm, it'll be the easiest time to peel them. And they'll still be soft. You want to get the outer, there's 2 layers to this shell. There's the hard shell, and there's a little softer one on the inside. And you want to get all of that off, and then you'll have this. So you discard that, keep that, and there you have it. Roasted chestnuts. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here YouTube thinks you should watch it. And until next time, keep on cooking on.